Hi there, my name is Adeola Dewoyin. You can also address me as the landlady of Lagos. Welcome to my channel. Here we're going to be providing exclusive strategies about real estate investments, short-term and long-term real estate investments, and how you can get that financial freedom that we are all seeking via short-term real estate investments. And also we're going to be busting so many real estate myths and discuss as well major concerns, that are holding people back from investing into real estate, especially in Lagos, Nigeria, and some other parts of Nigeria. Also here, we're basically going to be growing together. We're going to be sharing tips, on how to develop ourselves financially and retire early, because that is the goal of majority of people. How to retire early, that early retirement, financial freedom, strategic investments, sustainable and profitable investments in real estate. And also we are going to be dispelling your fears about real estate. I don't know what you have heard. I don't know what is holding you back. I don't know why you think you cannot do it. Yes, that is another major thing. You can do it. We can do it together. There's major myths about investments, especially real estate investment, that you need to have a large sum of money before you can buy land, before you can buy property. No. We are going to be teaching you, about how to raise funds, for investments. A lot. So if this is the channel that you have been seeking for, why not hit the notification buttons and subscribe? Yes, subscribe to our channel. It's on the notification setting so that whenever we post, you will be the first to be notified. And let us grow together. See you next time.